house. I'm gonna show people you're not doing the other side. Two, three.
Stop. Please don't pull.
Stop. That's the wrong kind of way. Uh-oh.
Oh, God, I don't want to do the other side.
By the count of three, okay?
Yeah. Ow! Oh my God.
Mom, don't go so hard. You're gonna ruin your face.
I think my face is already ruined.
2, 3.
Oh.
1, 2, 3.
Pull hard.
I'm trying.
No, you're just.
Uh,
Oh yeah. I thought Kevin said it didn't hurt. Maybe Kevin doesn't have enough. Oh.
It doesn't hurt, but it was just really in there.
Three. Oh, you want to pull it. 2, 1, go.
Oh, it's gonna bleed. Oh.
Come on, just real quick. Are you crying? Do it fast.
Oh my God, that is so disgusting.
You don't understand.
Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me.
You guys don't do this. It hurts so. Ew! Oh, my eyes are running.
Not wrestling with you.
This was horrible.
Oh! Come on, just do it.
She hasn't even touched the corners yet.
Yeah, these are whiskers.
Tattoos all over your body. This is nothing.
Oh, man, I opened a little.
Don't open it.
I wonder if I can bring my. I'll try. Oh. Whoops.
1,
No.
2.
Stop. God. I don't want to just do the other one. Wait. I'm not ready.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! How's that possible? She doesn't understand what I do. For her.
It's gonna be a double whammy though.
Yeah.
I'm going first. 2.
What is that? What's in my hair?
Gum.
Why is there gum in my hair?
I don't know, because I pranked you earlier. Because I want to prank you.
That's not a prank. That's real.
That's prank.
That's not a prank. That is real.
Yes, it's a prank.
No, it's not a prank. How are you gonna get that out?
I got it.
You don't have it.
No, if you got mixed up. But you're gonna want to comb your hair over. And
Stop playing with your hair!
I'm not done! I've been interrupted 3 times. Please stop.
Ready? Oh, Shuck Nugget, that hurts so bad. Oh my God.
Wait. No, just keep looking at mommy. Or just, you're fine.
Oh!
Yeah. It doesn't even hurt.
How does that hurt?
Don't talk to me. Don't talk.
Put her on Facebook.
I feel like she should be roaring like a
You're supposed to tell me when you hit me. Oh God.
Lisa, you messed it up.
What does it taste like?
Baby wipes.
Ew, gross.
Yeah, no, it doesn't taste good.
Dad was gonna try to tell you something.
That's it.
Don't shut up.
Both feet at the same time.
Gosh, man, it's like, oh, what the? See, look at this. This is crazy. But I guess you get what you pay for, right? I mean, it was only like $7, but shoot, man, you can't even like. This is ridiculous. I shouldn't have to like hold it down. Like I feel like it needs like.
Funniest videos.
Yes, absolutely. Is it cold?
Hopefully it works out. Just trying to darken it in just a little bit. Let's see. No.
1, 2, 3.
Let me know when you're ready, okay?
You did it?
That was it. You okay?
That's it. That's all it is. That's all it is, bruh.